वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं जी आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज अबाउट रिग्रेशन प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन। हियर इज fit a straight line to the following data, fit a regression line to the following data, fit a least square regression line to the following data. All these questions are about the regression line. So here is one independent and one dependent variable. So we what is regression line or what is straight line? That is y hat is equal to a plus bx. So first of all, we discuss about the slope formula. What is slope formula? B is equal to n summation xy minus summation x summation y over n summation x square minus summation x whole square. So here, what are the requirements? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is xy is 2 ones are 2, 6 twos are 12, 7 threes are 21, 8 fours are 32, 5 tens are 50, 11 six are 66. It's okay. Next is summation x. Its sum is 21, and summation y, its sum is 44, and its sum is 183. Next, what we want? X square. What we want here is x square. So we take the square of every observation of x. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So here the sum of this one is, you can use calculator, okay. Its sum is 91. Now put these sums in this formula. Here is n is total number of observation, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is n. Instead of n we can write 6 into summation xy is 183 minus summation x is, बताइए, its sum is 21 into, here is summation y, its sum is 44. Well done. 44 over n is, what is n? N 6 into x square. X square sum is 91 minus summation x sum is 21. Well done. 21 whole square. So after computing these observations into the calculator, its answer is 1.66. Now it is a b. B means slope. Now we will find, we have already found this by using this formula. Now we will find intercept. A is intercept. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is summation y over n minus b into summation x over n. Its mean of y is summation y over n. Mean of x is summation x over n. So here is summation y. Summation means sum of y is 44 over n is 6 minus b is 1.66. Where is b? This is b. 1.66 into summation x is, sum of summation x is 21. 21 over n is 6. n is 6, and now its answer is 1.52. Okay dear students, now fit this into the regression line is y hat is equal to a plus bx. A is, intercept is 1.52 plus b is 1.66, and where is x? Just you write here x. इट्स अ रिग्रेशन लाइन। अगर आपको x की वैल्यू एंड पे x लाइक दी जाए कि यू प्रेडिक्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ 7 what will be the value of y, you put here instead of x you will put 7. In other words you can say that if they will say what is the value of x if it is a 12, what you will put there, it will be instead of this you put 7, 11, 15, just one value will be given to you. You can find easily y value from putting instead of x. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक आपको रिग्रेशन लाइन समझ आ गई होगी। अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।